Let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1949 Mercury. It's a Mercury 8 and 1/18 scale made by ERTL Collectibles. This is a very nice car. I really like it. You probably remember this car from the movie Stallone Cobra, and as well as Cars by Walt Disney, in which this car was a sheriff in Radiator Springs. So this is a very nice car, a very interesting model, and it's very well made by ERTL. It's a simple model, but still made with a very high quality. Please don't forget to like this video, to click the bell for news, and to share it. So let's take a better look at it. First thing you're going to notice is this front here, which is very familiar in the Cars movie. It can remind this grill can remind a sheriff's mustache, as we saw in that movie. We can see the Mercury badge as well as a Mercury emblem right here with the letters. They're painted over, but very well made. And the hood ornament we can see here, that's a very nice piece. The headlights and blinkers, which are very realistic, just like the grill. It's not actually a grill, it's cast in plastic, but it's still very well made. We can see that the bumpers have very little cast markings, so it's a pretty nice piece. The engine, as we pop the hood open, we can see that's a V8, probably a flathead. It's not very clear for us to see here, but we can see that the engine bay, it's pretty well made. It's made with a pretty good quality. It's not really outstanding, just like Highway 61 or ERTL tanks or any other brands that are more expensive, but still well made. Hood hinges are quite simple, and hood opens and closes correctly. The interior is nice. It's all made in gray with the bench seat, stick shift. That's a manual transmission, as we can see, and we can see that the panel, the dashboard, the gauges are all very realistic, very well taken care of. So this is a very nice car to have in a collection. Door panels are very well made with all cranks and stuff. The windows with the trim around the rear window, that's divided in three pieces, as they used to be in a 40s cars. A trunk lid that doesn't open, but it's a very well cast in model. As we can see, the tail lights are correct, the Mercury badge and the bumper is correct, the exhaust is correct, and the trim is correct, as well as as we open the driver's door, we can see the steering wheel that steers along with the wheels, just like any other 1/18 cars. The mirror is in the right proportion, just like the windshield wipers and the windshield, which is divided in two pieces, as it used to be in 1949 and 1950s cars. Wheels and tires are very nice. We can see in the hubcaps it's Mercury 8. That's written right here, just like this Mercury badge right here in the trim. And when we look at the bottom of a car, we can see it's all made in black. It's all cast in plastic. So we have the chassis, the floor, the drive shaft, which is fixed, the engine and tranny, steering system, the front and rear suspensions that have no coil springs. Really, it's not working suspension, but it's still very well made. The mufflers are pretty realistic. They just would need a little painting on them, so they could be a little more realistic. They could stand a little bit more, just like the gas tank, but still it's a pretty well made car. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to share this video, to give me a like, and to click the bell for news. I thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.